Okay, so now let's try to find the volume of each of them and just find the ratio. So I'm gonna go with Alex first because he's just first in order. So 6 centimeters in diameter. So remember, diameter means this. So you want the radius. Remember, the cylinder's volume is pi r squared h. So you're gonna get pi 3 squared, and h is 12. That's gonna be 108 pi. So now let's do Felicia. So it's 12 this way. So it's gonna go pi 6 squared 12. That's gonna be, so 108 pi times, or sorry, this should be 6. So this would be times 2, right? Because, okay, yeah. Okay, so let's just write that. So 216 pi. So you're comparing the two, the ratio of the volume Alex's can to Felicia's can. So that's 1/2, or like 1:2. So your answer would be 1:2. The order here matters. So pay attention to the way the question's asking. It's Alex's to Felicia's, not the other way around, because you could get confused between B and D. So here was, again, a simple application of the formula. Okay. So this question, an inverted cone with base radius 12 centimeters and height 18 centimeters is full of water. The water is poured into a tall cylinder whose horizontal base is the radius 24 centimeters. What is the height in centimeters of the water in the cylinder? So let's fix this. Okay, so I'll give you some time to work on it, and then we'll come back and discuss.